Thini la iqhawe uthi wena uqinisile ukhuluma ngalabantu beMK abanye abaya nodumo kaZuma abagijima nje emva kaZuma nentelezi for nothing iziduphu weqhawe lakithi angizange mina ngisho njalo bengingakhulumi ngabantu beMK bengikhuluma ngabantu hayi abantu beMK ngicacisile futhi lokho ngasho ngathi it is ironic ukuthi abantu would be all over MK about manifesto, about constitution, about policies when they themselves do not know those things about their own organizations. Nawe ngiyakubala seeing ukuthi you are not a member of MK kahle kahle bengikhuluma ngabantu engingebona aba members eMK laqhawela kithi abantu bo EFF abantu bo ANC abantu bo IFP bonke labantu ababehamba phambili ekugxekeni abantu for joining iMK bethi iMK ayina constitution ayina manifesto ayina ma policy ayina ideology. And my question was, how could you question that ekubeni nawe ungayazi ideology ye political party yakho? Abantu be-EFF, i-majority of abantu be-EFF abayazi ideology ye-EFF. I-majority of abantu be-EFF uma ngase nje ukuthi abakutshele about the 7 cardinal pillars, mina-ke ngiyawazi ama-cardinal pillars e-EFF, ngiyawazi ama-policies e-EFF, angiyona even ngisho ne-member ye-EFF ngoba ngiyayifunda lezo zinto lezo. But the majority of the members of the EFF, of the ANC, of the IFP, even of the DA, of any political party you can think of, they do not know the prescript of those political parties. It is not peculiar. If abantu be-MK abawazi ama-prescripts e-MK, it would not be peculiar to MK. Into vele, it defines the political culture yala e-South Africa. The party political culture ukuthi majority ama members kakade awayazi ama ideologies. They do not know the constitutions of their political parties. They do not know any prescript of their political parties. They don't even know the manifestos of their political parties. Injalo nje indaba. Lapho ngangakhuluma ngabantu beMK, bengikhuluma ngabantu engebona abantu beMK kahle kahle. Engebona abantu beMK, vela abantu beMK kuse-early vela ngithi MK nje akaqedi nje iminyaka emibili ikhona vele all the members of MK ase under probation vele phela. It's understandable, it's understandable, reasonably you should expect vele abantu abaningi abakayazi ideology because MK is in the building process. Yabo mina ngangikhuluma ngabantu bama political parties amadala, ANC, IFP, PAC, EFF, DA, Mang, COPE, those political parties, all political parties, NFP. Ngangikhuluma mina ngalabo bantu. So wrong ekutheni mina ngisho abantu beMK, cha angisho abantu beMK khehla ngisho bona impela abantu engingebona beMK. Abantu beMK if bengawazi ama prescriptions eMK, well, I mean, that should be understandable because MK has just been formed. Barely 2 years, vele kakade. But what is the excuse of abantu be-ANC, people who joined the ANC in 1990, but if you ask them about ideology ye-ANC, abazi basaxaka ukuthi uMbalulu uthe ANC is not a socialist party, is not a capitalist party, is actually pursuing a mixed economy. Bayalwa-ke manje abantu be-ANC lapha, bayalwa-ke manje bayalwa noMbalula ngoba uMbalula usho njalo. It shows ukuthi majority abantu be-ANC abakaze bayazi i-ideology ye-ANC. Abe-ANC EFF imajority yabo nabo and phela sihlezi sikhuluma nabo every day. Most of the vocal ones uthola ukuthi ba-obsessed with other political parties instead of dealing with their political parties. What is the evidence ukuthi abantu bamanye ama-political parties abangezona-ke idomu-ke phela ngoba wena uthe abe-MK kuphela idomu abangebonaka abantu be-MK? What is the evidence that they understand the prescript of their political parties? What is the evidence that they understand the prescript of their political parties? There is no evidence. In fact, there is evidence, ample evidence is that they do not understand their prescript of their political parties. They do not. They do not. Abantu be-EFF abaningi, they have even struggled to defend, even to do what we call defense dogmatism, because that requires intimate understanding, knowledge and understanding of prescripts. They can't do that. They can't do that. We have a constitution that was adopted on the 26th of September 2024. And one of the values, principle and values enshrined on that constitution is the principle of knowledgeability and meritocracy, which basically calls for all members of the party to study the documents, the prescriptive documents of the movement. Why? It's because kuyaziwa vele ukuthi asikakawazi ama-prescripts, because we've just became members. So we are being told to study. It's all part of the process. But if you think you are smart and you think others are dumb, you are going to think like how you think. You are going to think like how you think when now you have not demonstrated to have competent knowledge and understanding of the policies and authoritative and prescriptive documents of your political party, and yet you are trying to project yourself here as being smart. In fact, you are projecting your own reality on the members of Umkhonto weSizwe, because when you don't know your prescript of your own political party, and you hide that by trying to, what do you call, defocus the attention on your own incompetence to MK members. That is what you are doing. We see you. But you can do that. But don't use language that is insulting. Don't use vulgar. You can convey your point without being ad hominem, without vulgarizing. You can do that. It's intellectual maturity, but also it's political tolerance. Just because you differ with Abantu MK doesn't make them dumb. It also doesn't make you smarter. But if you think just because when you differ with Abantu MK and therefore that they are dumb, then I think you are the one who is dumb for having that cheap logic, that empty logic, very hollow logic. I think it doesn't make you better, doesn't make you smarter. If anything, it just makes you, well, the opposite of what you are trying to demonstrate you are here. You are trying to demonstrate you are here. So there's nothing there. You are not smarter than them. You do not qualify to call them dumb when you are not smarter than them. How do I know that you are not smarter than them? Because you use this logic. This is empty logic. It's cheap logic. This one. It's not even logic. So I like it.